In today's video, let me show you how to block someone on Venmo. For whatever reason, if you're trying to block someone or block any particular account within Venmo, let me show you the quick process that you'll need to follow. Once you're inside of your Venmo app, the first thing you need to do is locate their profile. So search up the profile of the person that you're trying to block. Now, once you're inside of someone's profile that you're trying to block, you'll be able to see a similar screen. Now, in order to block them, you'll need to tap on the three dotted line that is on the top right of the screen. So just tap on this option and then this pop-up will open up. It will give you a few information about blocking the users. If you agree, just tap on the block option right here. Now, once you've completed the block, you can view the list of people that you've blocked from your Venmo account. To do that, you'll need to head back from the Me tab again on the bottom right. Tap on the settings icon on the top right. And here you'll find the option called privacy. So inside of the settings, tap on the privacy option. Once you're inside of the privacy settings, under the more option, you'll be able to see the section called block users. All of the people or the profiles that you blocked under Venmo, they will all appear inside of the block user section. So you can easily go inside of this section and then you'll be able to view them as well as unblock later on if you'd like. So that's the exact process that you need to follow in order to block someone on Venmo. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.